Machashava. That is the word in Hebrew for the word thought. Machshava is the same letters as the word besimha, with joy. The power of joy is that it's able to break through all types of boundaries. So too, the power of the mind is that a good thought is able to break through. And therefore, when you start thinking about a specific situation and you project it in your mind with joy, meaning in a positive way, even though you think the outcome is going to be terrible, and all the facts tell you that no, you're not going to succeed, start training your brain to reconfigure the whole thought, reframe it, take it in a new dimension. You will see that your thought is potent. Your thought for another, your thought for yourself, your thought for a situation can actually transform everything in a positive way. Take your time, believe, and think well, and everything will be well.